Hello, welcome back to edition 5 of Introduction to Birdwatching with Paul Sager. Today I'm going to show you 3 more beautiful winter ducks in their gorgeous plumage. And they're not the very common birds that we have seen before. They're a bit rarer and I think you're going to like them. Okay, are you coming along? This fantastic duck is called the goosander. Goosanders are a member of the mergansers or sawbills, so called because they have slender serrated bills which they use to catch slimy fish. The male is very typical with the beautiful creamy pinkish body, the velvet black wings and back, and the dark green black head. They don't breed in the Netherlands, they breed in Scandinavia, but they come here to overwinter. This is the female, and she's colored completely differently with an overall grey appearance, a white neck, and a sharp delineation with the rusty head with the crest. And sharp delineation is characteristic of the female goosander. The female merganser looks like her, but the delineation there is diffuse. Really fantastic ducks. Much bigger than the mallards they are. And here you see another shot of this gorgeous bird. This beauty is the red-crested pochard. Red-crested pochards are rare ducks in the Netherlands. They're scarce breeders and they predominantly breed in the boggy peat lakes of the western part of the Netherlands and here in the dunes. And they also winter in small numbers. You just saw it diving. It's a diving duck. It's not a dabbling duck, even though it feeds on water plants, as you can see. The male red-crested pochard is sensational, I think, with the beautiful brown back and wings, the velvet black breast, and the cinnamon orange colored head with the spectacular red beak. And it also has a red eye, just like the common pochard. The female is much more subdued. Unfortunately, we don't have her here. She has an overall brownish brown-white appearance with a light neck and a light lower half of her head, and she has a brown cap. And she lacks the conspicuous red beak that characterizes the male. They're fantastic ducks, and I'm really happy to have her here, very close to my home in Haarlem. This brilliant little duck is the Smew. The Smew is also a member of the mergansers or sawbills. It's the smallest member. And the male is completely characteristic with the fantastic black and white plumage and the crest and the Zorro mask. And the ladies swim around it, and they are a little bit smaller, and they have this overall grey-brown appearance with the light white neck and the brown cap. Smews don't breed in the Netherlands, or very scarcely so. They are typical breeders of Scandinavia, northern Scandinavia. And there they typically occupy one lake per pair. They breed in holes in trees. That's very funny for ducks. They are regular visitors in winter in the Netherlands, but you have to be a little bit lucky to encounter them because they're not very common. They're not very rare, but they're not common, and we are lucky to have a couple of them quite near where I live, and they're really fantastic. They're also sawbills, as I said, so they have this serrated beak, which they use, or bill, which they use to catch slimy fish. Well, friends, that was it. The 5th episode of Introduction to Birdwatching with Paul Sager. I hope you liked it. I think we saw some spectacular ducks in their beautiful winter plumage. Next week I'll be back and hope you'll join me. Bye bye.